Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for stalkers on WhatsApp. So first of all, check on your status views. Look at who frequently views your WhatsApp status or updates. If someone rarely interacts with you, consistently views your status updates, it might be worth nothing. If someone often appears to be online or checks your last seen status frequently, they might be monitoring your activity. Notice if someone sends you a messages frequently without much response from you, or if they ask about things they should know, and adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your last seen profile photo and status update. This can help you identify potential stalkers on WhatsApp app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next